Review of India's energy policies. The International Energy Agency (IEA) has released the first in-depth review of India's energy policies. International Energy Agency (IEA). The report highlights the achievements of India's energy policies and provides recommendations to support the government goals of promoting the well-functioning energy markets and boosting deployment of renewables. The International Energy Agency (IEA) regularly conducts in-depth review of energy policies for its members and associated countries. This is the first review carried out for India, which has been an IEA association country since March 2017. The policies appreciated the government's achievements in extending citizens' access to electricity, affordable efficient lighting, and clean cooking through historic schemes like Saubhagya, Ujala, Ujjwala are well appreciated. The energy efficiency improvements in India avoided 15% of additional energy demand, oil and gas imports, and air pollution, as well as 300 million tons of CO2 emissions between 2000 to 2018. The government policies designed to conduct large-scale renewable energy auctions, open up coal mining to private companies, and promote access to oil and gas markets for foreign investors. Status of the renewable energies in India. There is a strong growth of renewables in India, which now accounts for almost 23% of country's total installed capacity. India's demand for energy. The country's demand for energy is set to double by 2040 and its electricity demand may triple. Indian oil consumption is expected to grow faster than that of any other major economy, including the China. So such a large oil consumption is expected. This makes further improving energy security a key pivotal priority for India's economy. India's oil demand is expected to reach 6 million barrels per day (BPD) barrels per day by 2024 from 4.4 million barrels per day currently in 2017. But its domestic production it's 6 million barrels per day. But its domestic production is expected to rise only marginally, making the country more reliant on crude imports and more vulnerable to supply disruptions in the Middle East. India's oil refining capacity is expected to rise to 5.7 million barrels per day by 2024, making it a very attractive market for refinery investment. Recommendations. The Niti Aayog can play a strong role in working with the states to implement power sector reforms, advanced grid integration, improve flexibility, and coordinate energy policy decisions. In renewable rich states, the share of variable renewables in electricity generation is already above 15%, a level that calls for dedicated policies to ensure they integrate smoothly into the power system. The review encourages India to institutionalize energy policy coordination across the government with a national energy policy framework. India should also expand its strategic petroleum reserves (SPR). India ranks third in terms of global oil consumption after China and United States. India ships in over 80% of its oil needs, of which 65% is from the Middle East through Strait of Hormuz. India is the world's fourth largest oil refiner and net exporter of refined fuels, mainly gasoline and diesel. International Energy Agency. The International Energy Agency was created in 1974 to help coordinate a collective response to major disruptions in the supply of oil. It is made up of 30 member countries. It also includes 8 association countries. It is also an autonomous intergovernmental organization within the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) framework, headed by its executive director. It is headquartered in Paris, France.